Hello friends, now we are going to discuss about the foreign keys. So many times in exams they will ask questions about the foreign keys, and some will be very tricky questions. If you know the concept in depth, you can easily solve the questions. So let's understand what is foreign key. Now first point, look at the first point. It enforces a referential integrity. So what is meaning of referential integrity? It is referencing to other key of another table, okay, and that key is a primary key. Always primary key only can be a foreign key, okay, many times, because it is unique, okay, and it can be a null column. Foreign key can be a null column, but primary key cannot be a null, and foreign key always be a primary key of a sum table. That is in truth, okay. So third is, table can have more than 1 2 3 4 like foreign keys, okay. So primary key will be always one, but foreign key can be many. Now fourth point is, it refers primary key of some same table or another table. You can define a foreign key in a same table using the primary key of a same table, or you can define a foreign key in a table because it establishes relationship between a like two tables, okay. Understand, when we decompose or do normalization, we need to have something in common to connect the two tables. Let's say I'm having like two tables, three tables. Now first table for student information, another for student like appearing subject, and another for student borrowing the book. So student will be the common in all three tables, so we use student id in all three tables. And student id will be like, for student information, student id will be a primary key. Other table, student id will be foreign key. That foreign key will give which books student have borrowed, or different information can be stored, okay. So that is what primary and foreign key. It's very important, and it is having some like three types of like different you can say the relationships, okay. Now first is, it need not to be unique value column, it can be a multiple, because foreign key can be repeated in different tables. Now these questions have been asked in GATE 2005. They have given that A and C are two like columns and attributes, and they are having the following values, okay. So now they are asking in a question, the set of all tuple that must be additionally deleted to preserve referential integrity, then when the tuple 2 4 is deleted, okay. So now they are asking that to preserve a referential integrity, which columns will be deleted when the column 2 4 is deleted, okay. Now understand, when we are going to delete the 2 4, okay, let's understand, we have deleted this 2 4. Then first thing is, we will look at the left hand side, that is what about primary key, because in this case primary key is deleted, this record is deleted, and this primary key can be a foreign key of some table, okay. Now understand where you get 2, here you can get 2 mark, here you can get 2, okay. Now when this is deleted, now this reference of 2 don't have any value, because when table will go, when we will look at the 2 on left hand side as a primary key, you will not get any value, means what, it don't have any meaning. So referential integrity is lost by this attribute. Now for keeping a referential integrity, we need to delete this also, okay. Now if we have deleted this, then understand where is a 5, because see here 5 is also primary key, and it can be a foreign key of some table, and if it is there, then it will violate the referential integrity. So now understand where you can get a 5, you just mark, okay. Now here for 2, again 2 is here, 7 2. Now this is meaningless because 2 is not existing, it is died, it is deleted. Now for this is also violating referential integrity. Now for keeping referential integrity, we are going to delete this also. So now I have deleted 5 2, I have deleted 7 2, and then for 9 5, because 5 is deleted, 9, this 9 5 should also be deleted. It should be also deleted because for keeping a referential integrity. So I am going to delete this. This will be 9 comma 5. Now I have 6 4. So okay, can you get here 7? 7 you don't have. Can you have 9? You don't have. So okay, so no, 7 and 9 cannot cause a violation of referential integrity, okay. So now for keeping referential integrity, I must delete 5 2. After 2 4, I must delete 5 2, 7 2, and 9 5. So this is the answer for this GATE question, and you can get an option 5 to 7 to 9 5. This is a C option, okay. So this is about a foreign key. This is very important concept. So what is surrogate key? When we do not find any combination of different keys as a candidate key or primary key, that time we define already available you can say the index key, okay. So that can be auto increment key, or ordered key. So that key which is already generated in a table or database, that we are going to use for that table, and that key will be defined called as a surrogate